Hey Blox Fruits fans! Welcome back to the channel. Tonight, we've got something super special for you, brand new codes in Blox Fruits. Yes, that's right, in this video, you'll discover all the latest, working codes that can boost your game, give awesome rewards, and make your adventure even more exciting. Glowing Star people have been waiting for these codes, and now it's finally here. In this video, we'll show you how to use the newest codes, what rewards you can get, and tips to maximize your game progress. Make sure to watch the whole video, because some codes are limited time and you don't want to miss them. Thumbs up before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you always stay updated with the newest Blox Fruits codes and updates. Wrapped gift alright. Now it's time for the segment where all the latest codes will be revealed. Pay close attention, because these are fresh codes dropped recently and they're perfect for leveling up faster. Hammer and wrench. If you're wondering how to redeem codes or claim rewards, don't worry. I'll guide you step by step so that you never miss a single reward. Speech balloon. Comment below and tell me which reward you're most excited to get from these codes. Remember, more new codes are coming soon, so stay tuned, subscribe, and keep dominating in Blox Fruits. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Happy gaming! Waving hand anchor.